I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Jetta headlight. First, make sure your car is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Pop open the hood and find the back of the headlight unit. Depending on your Jetta model, you might need to gently move a plastic cover or an air intake tube to get better access. This simple step ensures you have enough room to work comfortably. Now let's remove the old bulb. Gently disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it away. Next, you'll either unclip a retaining spring or twist a plastic ring counterclockwise to release the bulb. Once it's free, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Installing the new bulb is straightforward. Always hold the new bulb by its plastic base. Never touch the glass part, as oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Carefully align the tabs on the new bulb with the corresponding slots in the headlight housing. Push the bulb in firmly until it's seated, then secure it with the retaining clip or by twisting the ring clockwise. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Before closing everything up, turn on your car's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Once you've verified it, replace any plastic covers or air intake tubes you moved, and then you can safely close your hood. You've successfully replaced your Jetta headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.